Alright everyone, I'm making Alfredo sauce that's going to serve with your favorite pasta, your favorite pizzas, wherever you like that you can do it with your main dishes. So the first thing that I have in a non-stick skillet, I'm going to melt 1 stick of unsalted butter. Meanwhile, I just already preheat the skillet on medium-high heat that I forgot to tell you. We're going to let the butter to melt it before we're going to finish the rest. You can see the butter just melts really fast on medium-high. I'm going to throw in 4 cloves of minced or pressed garlic. You want to lightly brown the garlic after the butter just melts. We don't want to burn the garlic everywhere. Right, you just lightly brown the garlic. Like I said, don't burn the garlic. Now we're going to pour 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Actually, I'm going to use a pint of those instead of 1.5 cups. 1 pint, which makes 2 cups of heavy cream that goes right in the butter and garlic. You're going to stir around occasionally until it becomes to a boil. Look at that, as you can see, it becomes to a boil. I just keep stirring around. I'll just get all to the sides with the skillet. Now you can go ahead and sprinkle 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 3/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Then don't forget, add 3/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Just going to keep stirring around. The Parmesan will melt inside after it comes to a boil. Can you see that? It just almost getting thickened together. Probably it smells like a very savory dishes. Probably we're almost done. And look at that. So once the Alfredo sauce is just almost completely done, you can go ahead just remove from the heat if you can. I'm going to cook the pasta real quick and to see how it looks like. And here is the finished, very quick and easy Alfredo sauce. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Always have to make sure to be always watch before sharing. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, bon appetit. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.